Scott Schiller from Charleston, South Green, Carolina. Finally got the green paint on. I'm going to post some pictures so you can see what I did today. Been at this. We had a really wicked storm come through here yesterday, all rain all day, and I didn't think I'd get this done, but I was able to scuff it, and I was able to get 2 coats of the 33070 Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts OD green paint on there. I'm going to just leave the 2 coats on there for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and bolt on all my bolt-ons. I want my bolts painted, so I'm just going to go through, bolt everything on, and then go back. I'm going to scuff it one more time after the fact, and then we'll shoot it one last time, and then we'll install it on a chassis. This has been a long time coming, and I cannot begin to tell you how happy I am that this is at least this far. Finally got all the bodywork done. I mean, yeah, there's little dinkles and ripples and stuff like that, but it's good. It came out really, really well, and I'm happy with it. So anyways, I guess I can stop whining about the tub. Until the next one. But that's for another day. All right, y'all. Hope you like the videos. Hope you like the pictures. Thank you so much for everyone who's encouraged and followed along with that hour-a-day challenge thing. I think that went on for almost 2 months, and I did skip a few days when I went to Toccoa, Georgia, but for the most part, I put more than an hour a day in. But the whole point is you got to keep at it. So the next challenge will be bolt at least one part on the body a day. That shouldn't be too hard. So, all right, man, It's green, and it's going to get dark here soon, so I'm going to let this cure out, and I'll cover it back up for the evening. Till next time, keep it safe, and happy Jeeping. Man, I'm happy.